Hello, welcome you all to Nutmeg.in Facebook page as well as Nutmeg India YouTube channel. তোমাদের সকলকে Nutmeg India YouTube channel এবং Nutmeg.in Facebook page এ স্বাগত জানাই. In our last video we have discussed on East Bengal, but it's time to give you some latest update on Mohun Bagan. So before I start, I just want to request you subscribe our YouTube channel. Just click on the notification button. Ashutosh Mehta and Deepak Tangri is confirmed, and the official announcement will come in next couple of weeks probably. Now it's time to give you some updates on confirmed foreigners. One is Tiri and Matthews. These two foreigners are confirmed as of now. Here is some update from David Williams perspective. You already know that David Williams have offer from different ISL franchises like Chennai FC, Northeast United, but Mohun Bagan has already sent the offer to David Williams. Probably in next few days we will definitely have an update of David Williams. Now it's time to give you some update on Edu Garcia. Edu Garcia is medically unfit, but his agent informed that Edu Garcia is getting fit to play. Let's see whether Edu Garcia will continue in green and maroon jersey or not. It's time to give you some fresh update of new foreigner Ivan Trichkovsky. Few days back we informed you that Mohun Bagan is linked up with a Euro player, that is Ivan Trichkovsky of North Macedonia. Day by day the news is maturing. Currently Mohun Bagan is in advanced talk with Ivan Trichkovsky. Let's see what will happen, whether we can see another Euro player, current Euro player in Mohun Bagan jersey or not. Now it's time to give you some interesting updates on Roy Krishna. In last 1 week there are lots of speculations and rumors moving around the entire transfer market. There are lots of information you have received in a scattered way, but just in a simple sentence I want to give you some information that is, it's not a big task to retain Roy Krishna. Management is trying their best to retain Roy Krishna, but Roy Krishna have some conditions. If these conditions will be satisfied, definitely Roy Krishna will continue in green and maroon jersey. But I just want to give you some information here. After the completion of ISL, you know the Mumbai City FC, the champion of this year ISL, Mumbai City FC have offered about 5 crore rupees to Roy Krishna. Without wasting any time, Mohun Bagan management have offered just above them. I don't want to reveal that price, but I can assure you that there is a very lucrative offer from Mohun Bagan management as well. But it's not the technical condition, but Roy Krishna have some personal conditions. If this condition will be satisfied, definitely Roy Krishna will continue. Now it's time to give you the last update of this video, and it's a very interesting update for you. Now it's time to give you the last and most interesting update of Mohun Bagan, to be specific, a foreigner link up. Those who follow the Nutmeg.in Facebook page, I think you have already that update last night, because we have shared the post of this new foreigner link up. The name of the player is Ravel Morrison. The nationality of this player is Jamaican. Current citizenship is Jamaican. You can see here. The place of birth is Manchester. The age of this player is 28. The position of this player is attacking midfielder. The market value of this player is 41.66 mm. I can show you some other position of this player. One is central midfield and the center forward. So he is a very versatile player. Let's see in future what will happen. Mohun Bagan management is in link with this Ravel Morrison. Probably in coming days we will give you more updates, and definitely stay tuned with us. Subscribe our YouTube channel Nutmeg India. Click on the notification button to get the notification of new videos. Please follow our Facebook page Nutmeg.in. Like and follow us. Stay tuned with us. Stay safe. Thank you.